Hi everyone. In today's session, we are going to discuss about association of colloids. In this, amphiphiles. Amphiphiles are the molecules or ions which have certain affinity. Amphiphiles are the molecules or ions which have certain affinity for both polar and non-polar solvents. Amphiphiles are the molecules or ions which having certain affinity for both polar and non-polar solvents in water at low concentration of surface active agents in water at low concentration of surface active agents exist individually as monomers. In water, the low concentration of surface active agents, those are exist individually as monomers. As concentration increases, these monomers are aggregate to form. These monomers are aggregate themselves and forms as a micellar. Forms as a micellar. Each micellar contain 50 monomers. Each micellar contain 50 monomers and its size is about 50 angstroms. And its size is about 50 angstroms. Amphiphiles are the molecules or ions which have certain affinity for both polar and non-polar solvents. In water at low concentration, surface active agents exist individually as a monomers. As concentration increases, those monomers aggregate to form a micellar. These micellars, in each micellar contain 50 monomers and its size is about 50 angstroms. At interface. Interface is nothing but a phase between two phases, nothing but either solid water and air interface between the phase. At interface, here we are taking air and water interface or liquid interface. Monomers consisting of a polar head, non-polar tail, and a positive ion is called as a Gigin ion. Okay, this is a interface, polar head, non-polar tail. Positive ions are called as Gigin ions. Okay, this is the interface, air-water interface. This condition at low concentration. This is the condition at low concentration of amphiphile. Means below CMC. This is the condition at which below CMC. Here amphiphile concentration, amphiphile concentration is equals to CMC. CMC is nothing but critical micellar concentration. CMC is nothing but a critical micellar concentration at low concentration. Here is the condition at amphiphile concentration is equals to CMC at interface. This is the condition at interface. Next, at bulk solution. At bulk of the solution, positive ions or hydrogen ions. Here is the bulk of the condition in bulk of the solution. Okay, these monomers are aggregated to form micelles in bulk of the solution. CMC is defined as a concentration range of surfactant at which micelles start forming. At which the micelles start forming, that condition is called as critical micellar concentration. Below the CMC, below the critical micellar concentration means these surface active agents at air-water interface, the concentration of surfactant increases. These molecules get accumulated at the interface. At one particular concentration, this interface gets saturated. Okay, at the interface, when the concentration of surface active agents increases, at a one particular point, the interface gets saturated with those monomers. And bulk of the solution, this bulk solution is also gets saturated. Continuously we are adding surface active agents to the solution. The interface gets saturated with those monomers and bulk of the solution also gets saturated with monomers. Okay, in bulk solution, monomers and micelles are in dynamic equilibrium. Continuously we are adding surface active agents. The monomers and the micelles are in dynamic equilibrium in bulk of the solution. And this concentration is called as critical micellar concentration, CMC. Okay, below the CMC, this is the condition. Surface active agents are continuously added. The interface, air-water interface at a particular point. The air-water interface gets saturated with the monomers and continuously we are adding in bulk of the solution. The condition is also monomers are get accumulated and the monomers are also saturated. The concentration at which the monomers and micelles are in dynamic equilibrium, that condition is called as critical micellar concentration. Next, beyond CMC. Beyond critical micellar concentration, addition of surface active agents these addition of surface active agents ultimately leads to the formation of micelle, and this process is spontaneous, whereas the free energy of the system is reduced. The condition beyond the CMC, addition of surface active agents, it leads to the formation of micelles only, and the free energy of that system is reduced. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.